This is Matt, and this will be a short video on Clicky pricing. How much does Clicky cost? So Clicky, the popular web analytics framework. I'm right here on the pricing page. I'm just going to run through the pricing very quickly here. But first things first, I do have a link in the video description if you want to get a free trial. They're currently doing a free 21-day trial of the premium service, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is what it will look like. If you click my affiliate link just below this video, you will literally just click register and you can get your account and that free trial. So you'll find yourself on this page once you click my link. It might look slightly different depending on how Clicky change these pages over time, but you can get some more information here and you can register your account. And like I say, you get that 21-day free trial. So as far as the pricing, they do have a free account. You can only track one website with this, and you only get 3,000 daily page views total, which might be enough if you just have a small site, but for anything bigger, you're going to want one of these paid plans. They have Pro, Pro Plus, Pro Platinum, and there's a custom one. And obviously this scales up. So it all depends on how many daily page views you want. If you want things like heat maps and uptime monitoring, which everything from Pro Plus does. So you see the free plan's very limited, might be useful just to start out. But I highly advise you to check out the free trial. Click my link, get your free trial, see if Clicky is the right platform for you. Maybe it isn't, maybe you just want to stick around on a free plan. That's absolutely fine. You don't have to enter any payment details, but if you do like the platform, you can stick around on one of these paid plans. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.